I guess by not taking success to your head, to let that be a sinking feeling that
Sinking feeling, a feeling of anxiety or dread, often when something bad is about to happen. एक ऐसा एहसास जो डर या चिंता को दर्शाता है जब कुछ बुरा होने वाला हो.
success and failure as imposters.
Imposters refers to people who pretend to be someone else, typically to deceive others. धोखेबाज या नकली व्यक्ति जो किसी और के रूप में अपनी पहचान छिपाकर दूसरों को धोखा देता है.
Which
Yeah.
is so true.
Yeah.
Which is so true. You know, and if you learn how to treat both of them the same, how was it for you to kind of gauge that? Because that shift from knocking doors to
Knocking on the door means physically knocking on a door to get someone's attention or metaphorically it can refers to an opportunity or situation approaching. दरवाजे पर खटखटाने का मतलब है दरवाजे पर दस्तक देना या फिर किसी अवसर का पास आना.
this literally superstar that you became, and just that shift, how was that for you?
It's because it was so gradual, I think. It's
Gradual means happening slowly over time in small step. क्रमिक का मतलब है धीरे धीरे समय के साथ छोटे छोटे कदमों में होने वाला.
I think that there are a lot of people who are in our industry who are my colleagues that came in around the same time
Right.
as me, and they came with that one big grand launch film, and all the launch film, and all the magazines said, you know, next big thing, this thing, and you have those people. But for me, it wasn't like that. It was one smaller role in a film, then one small thing, then this, then that. For me, though, I do remember the first time that I had gotten like a lot of, you know, you notice that people are speaking a lot of acknowledgement of.
Acknowledgement refers to the recognition or acceptance of something such as action, message or fact. स्वीकृति या स्वीकारोक्ति का मतलब है किसी चीज को पहचानना या स्वीकार करना.
Imagined could not happen, happened. You know,
Okay.
all the things that you imagine, this should not happen, this should not happen. The things you try and guard and protect and keep. Those were all the things that I was trying to focus on so much and protecting and keeping were all the things that disintegrated.
Integrated means combined or unified into a whole, often referring to system processing or group working together seamlessly. एकीकृत का मतलब है किसी चीज को एक पूरे रूप में मिलाना या जोड़ना.
Or, you know, did not work out or went away. And then I think it's that moment where you kind of are faced with everything you feared and you realize that it's not so bad. It's like it's like
You had overhyped and
Overhype means to excessively promote or exaggerate the importance of something. अत्यधिक प्रचार का मतलब है किसी चीज को जरूरत से ज्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ाकर पेश करना.
yeah, I think that's what fear is, right? Fear is mostly just an